Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a signature in Zoho Books. Adding a signature to invoices and estimates helps personalize documents and gives them a more professional and efficient look. Let's get started. On the Zoho Books dashboard, we go to the upper right corner, where we see two options. Settings. Once we are in Settings, click Branding. Here, we can add our logo so it appears on templates. Once done, the logo will be visible. We can also go to the profile picture to see the logo there. Now let's click on Set Customization. Here, we manage transaction PDF templates and customize them by clicking Edit. We see that the signature logo is already added. After editing, just click Save. Now, let's check email notifications. Here, we can edit signatures. In email notifications, we set up email signature settings, for example, by adding a signature. We can also manage customer notification signatures. Just edit and check all the statements, tickets, and notifications to make sure signatures are included. If everything is checked and the signatures are added, just click Save. That's how we add a signature in Zoho Books. Once the signature is uploaded, make sure to preview invoices to ensure it displays correctly before sending them to clients.